it's me again. This is Delta Airline stocks. And remember, we've been saying for the past 3 days that wait for this thing to come and retest this side of town. And here we are. We are spot on. 27.20 as we speak today, from a recent high of 35 to 27.20. This is the point that you're going to start accumulating, because it is at the point of ample support here. Probably is going to fall a little bit lower, about 25-ish. But you are in a good state if you keep buying and keep buying and keep buying. And then if it happens to this support, you keep accumulating. And then you want to hold it for a long time, 2 years more. And then it's going to inch around. As people become more comfortable flying, you're going to see this stock there soar, and it's going to keep continue to ride. So the key here is that this support here, right here, must hold. And if the support hold, we are good to go. If we break beyond this support, then we have to sell. As long as this support hold, we're in good shape to be able to carry this all the way upstairs. Okay, I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.